So today I wanted to do sort of a outfits of the week, what I wear to work type video. So I'm just gonna do like 4 or 5 outfits, not sure. We're just gonna try on a few of my pieces. So these are my most worn pieces. Sorry if you can hear my dog in the back. He's being a little brat right now. He won't be quiet because the blinds are open so I can have some natural light. Anyways, these are some of my most worn pieces in my wardrobe. I don't have a lot of clothes. Literally, if I got the rest of my clothes, they would all fit on this clothing rack. But yes, I wear a lot of black. I'm very aware of that. It's literally my favorite color, or favorite shade, I should say, because black is the color. Anyways, but yeah, I wear a lot of black. I wear a lot of stripes. But you know, I try to mix it up here and there. My most used bags I wanted to involve, so I'll pull those out. So I have a black crossbody, and then I have what's my briefcase, so that like boxy one is what I put like my binder, my planner, all that stuff for work in there. And then I have some of my most worn shoes. There is another pair of black booties that is not included over here that I usually wear, but I just got these, so these are in place of like my ones that I usually wear all the time, and I've been wearing these whenever I get a chance, because the other ones also have a heel and my other black booties don't have a heel. So just a little bit of context. So yeah, I did a video on this hairstyle, so if you want to see that, I'll make sure to link it somewhere, and also it'll be down in the drop box. Yeah, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Make sure you let me know what other videos you want to see. This video is part of my 12 days of Vlogmas that I'm doing. So yeah, let's just jump right into it. So I'm not going to do like the videos where like I get fully into my underwear and you guys will see that and then I put on clothes. It's gonna be clips. So this is like my lounging outfit. Like, I love wearing these joggers that I have. I got these. Oh, also, I don't know where I got a lot of my stuff. A lot of it was thrifted from either Poshmark, St. Vinny's, or Goodwill. And some of the pieces, if I got it from like H&M or some boutique at the mall that I work at, then I'll make sure to shout that out. But yeah, a lot of the pieces I thrifted or got on Poshmark, so I don't know where it originally came from. So yeah, these came from Macy's. I got these from Macy's. I got this tank top from Ross, I believe, or TJ Maxx, because it was like $4.99 or $3.99. But yeah, it's just a simple black tank top, and then these joggers. I wear almost all of my clothes are high-waisted because I'm short. If you couldn't tell, the camera literally, like, I am 5'3". If you watch my other video, I am 5'2" and 3/8 of an inch, basically 5'3". So I'm really short. So a lot of like the clothes that I wear aren't made for my height. Although there is a boutique that I bought some of my pieces from that I'll show you that fit perfectly. So yeah, let's jump right into it. So yeah, that's this little lounging outfit, and then I will show you my next one. So alright, so this is the first look. So like I said, some of this stuff I've had literally. I'm more of like a minimalist when it comes to my wardrobe. I want to make sure that the pieces that I buy are pieces that not only that I love and that I feel good in, but that I can use in different outfits, if that makes sense. I can use multiple times. So this top, I've literally had this for like 5 years. I don't know where I got it from. It actually used to be really long. So if you see these like little ties right here, I cut it and I tied it so it's a little bit higher on the neck. These pants are some tie-waist pants, trousers. Like, they're kind of cropped at the bottom, but I've washed them a few times, so they used to be a little bit longer. But these crop pants, these are from H&M. This bag is from Target, and these shoes are from Macy's Backstage, which Macy's Backstage is like Ross, TJ Maxx, like, but a part of Macy's. So that's where I got the shoes from. So yeah, here's my first outfit. Alright, so here's another outfit. Now, at my job, I have the freedom of dressing very comfortably, but our dress code is like very like fashion, boutique, you know, professional. Now, what I don't have on is what I would usually wear with, this is my watch, and my watch is in my car, and I didn't feel like going to get it, because a lot of things that I wear, like accessories wise, like my sunglasses that I wear every day, I keep them in my car. My watches, I usually keep in my car, so it's easier for me to remember to put them on. But yeah, so this is my little bag. My mom gave me this when I went to California, and yeah, I just really liked it. I like how it like had the geometric shapes on it, and it was black, and it had like white and gray, because those are like my colors for work, is black, white, and gray. So I really love this, and it has the gold hardware. So yes, this top is from H&M. I got this for Black Friday, like $3. Underneath, I just have on my black tank that I had on before. These pants they're like jegging pants. These are from Backstage, so Macy's Backstage. These were only like $8.99 or something like that. They're super cheap. And then these shoes are, I believe it's Ziggy Soho. I believe that's the brand, but I got these also from Macy's. So, and they're super cute. I really like these. There's that outfit. And let's move on to outfit number 3. All right, so here's outfit number 3. A lot of times on certain days, I know that we're not gonna have a lot of traffic, or it's like a Sunday or something. I like to dress like kind of like business casual, not so much like fashion boutique-ish. But, you know, still holding to the standards of my black, white, and gray dress code. Still, you know, professional looking. Always at least have my hair or something done. But like these trouser pants, I believe I got these from H&M. They're super, super comfy. They have pockets. They have like a cinch, like a stretchy cinch waist. This top, which I usually have a safety pin right here, but since I have my tank top on, it doesn't. It has a clasp, but it's in such a weird place. Like, look at where that lies. Like, my chest just pushes that right open. So, this is from Alfani. So this is the brand Alfani from Macy's. And then these shoes I got from Target. They're just these black, like, velvet sneakers. They don't, you know, they look very professional because they're all black, and they have like that velvet texture on it, but they do have the laces. And it's a little bit out of like my color concept. Like I usually like gold embellishments, but a lot of my shoes have silver, and I have no problem mixing metals. But yeah, and then I paired it with my everyday bag that I usually take. Alright, so here is outfit number 4. So one thing I love about my job is not only do I love my job and what I get to do every day and all the people I work with, but I get to have expression through my fashion. You know, yes, we have a black, white, gray dress code, but perfect for me. Like, all I wear is black and, you know, have some white here and there, some gray. But I love being able to, like, actually dress how, like, I like. Like, I like dressing more elevated and more fashion forward and all that type of stuff. But I also like to dress down and be comfortable and casual, and I get the freedom to do both of those things. So yeah, so these shoes are INC. I got them from Macy's, and yeah, I really love them. They have like little cuts on the side. They have like little silver embellishments that's starting to tarnish. I love that. I love when things start to look more worn in and distressed. Like, that's totally, like, I love shoes that look like that. So a lot of my shoes, like, I don't care that they start to get like worn out, because I love that look on shoes. I know it's weird, but I like it. I'm a little bloated at the moment, so I look a little pregnant, but I'm not. This jumpsuit is a tube top jumpsuit with a little belt tassel thing. Very 70s, very my style. I love having pieces that kind of throw you back into different eras. Like, this reminds me of the 70s. I have a dress that reminds me of like straight up, you know, 50s flapper girl glamour. I have another one that's like super grunge 90s, so I love that type of stuff. But yeah, this is from Macy's Backstage. Great steal. I think I got it for $12. This jacket was $30. I got this from Just Fab. You know, I think they're still a company. I don't subscribe to them anymore. But yeah, I got this from Just Fab. This is like, I want to say like 4 or 5 years old, so I've had this for a while. It's a cute little trench. It has pockets. It has a little tie, so I can close it and tie it up. So this is my fourth outfit, or fifth outfit, right? Fourth, fifth, I don't know. We're somewhere. The numbers will keep track. But yeah, so. Alright, let's move on to the next outfit. Alright, so this is my next outfit now. This literally is the greatest purchase I've ever made. I don't know where this is originally from. I think it's originally from Forever 21. This lace black dress, but I got it on Poshmark for $5, right? So yeah, I love this. It literally screams Sade. Like, it's black, it's lace, it's like, you know, low cut V, it has little frillies. This dress just defines me as a person. So yeah, the dress underneath is just an H&M tank top ribbed dress, like cotton dress. And then so in my last clip, I said that these were Ziggy Soho. These are actually American Rag from Macy's. All right, so yeah, so this is a favorite outfit of mine to wear. I actually pair this dress with pants or a skirt and a top. Like, put this over it and it does the same thing for me. It's just super cute. So I love this outfit, and yeah. All right, on to our last and final outfit. All right, so here's the next outfit. Now I'm not finished putting this outfit on. I wanted to show you guys like what I actually wear on the day to day. Because yeah, I showed you outfits, but on top of those outfits, I usually have jackets and, you know, scarves and, you know, all that type of stuff, and gloves. So this is more of like an everyday casual look that I would wear with the turtleneck. The turtleneck is INC from Macy's. The pants are actually from Walmart. They're just like they're not the greatest pair of pants. Like, you can probably tell. They have like a lot of lint and stuff on them, but I also have a lot of pets, so unavoidable. But they fit. This belt my mom gave me, so I'm not sure where it's from. The shoes are again the ones that I got from Backstage. And then on top of this, what I would normally wear is a scarf. Depending on how cold it is or if it's raining or not, then I will or will not wear a scarf. If it's cold but not raining, then I'll wear a scarf. If it's cold and raining, then I won't wear a scarf because it'll just get wet and it makes no sense. So yeah, I'll usually put a scarf on. For jackets, I do have like it looks like a security jacket, so it's like one of just those like boxy jackets, and it has like fuzzy on the inside. I got that from Forever 21. It's in the room right now. I don't feel like getting it, but that's the jacket I would normally put over this. But also if it's like cold and not raining, because that's like my cold and rainy jacket. But my cold and like I can get away with just having a long sleeve on underneath, I would wear either my Just Fab trench coat that you guys saw me have on, or I put a blazer on. So full effect. This is outfit, and then I would obviously wear sunglasses. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that quick little video of a few outfits that I would usually wear to work. And I hope you are having a wonderful holiday season. Look forward to more of my 12 days of Vlogmas videos that will be coming at you soon. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.